On the last class, I had started the second practical. Okay, this practical is from the chapter The Mixture and Compound, and I think the definition part was over, and then we were on the material required also over. Okay, so again repeating theory or M, anything you may write, then materials required. Okay, next one is that procedure. So we will move to procedure. So first one is that pointed out preparation of a mixture of iron and sulfur powder. In procedure number 1, preparation of a mixture of iron and sulfur powder. This is the point 1. Yes, this is experiment number 2. Preparation of a mixture of iron and sulfur powder. Okay, so under this head we will write, take a pinch of iron filling and take a pinch of iron filling and 2 pinch of sulfur powder. Of sulfur powder. Okay. Mix them thoroughly. Keep it reserved. Keep it reserved. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the ratio in which the iron and sulfur reacts? Can you tell me in which ratio the iron and sulfur reacts? From there, 1 pinch of iron filling and 2 pinch of sulfur powder is taken. So basically it is roughly 1:2 ratio. Okay, next is that preparation of compound of iron and sulfur. Next is that preparation of compound. Preparation of compound. Containing iron and sulfur. Clear? Now how to prepare the compound. Now already you come to know about there are some chemical forces involved when a compound is formed. Now here already the heat is applied. In the experiment if you go through, then you can see that heat is applied. Now if we take the mixture in a china dish and just heat it gently and stir it, then after some time it will melt and a black mass will produce. This black mass is nothing but the compounds of iron and sulfur. So this part will be written here. Take a pinch of iron filling and a pinch of sulfur powder in a hard glass test tube. Okay, may I rub this part? In the syllabus there is, from chemistry part there are 4 practical. 4 practicals from chemistry. Sulfur. Now take a pinch of iron filling and a pinch of sulfur powder in a hard glass test tube. Now hard glass test tube, what is the purpose? Is that when we will heat it, then it may not break. Okay. Heat it. Okay, before heating, hold it with test tube holder. Heat in burner. Heat in burner, full stop. When it melts, take away from burner and keep it aside or keep it reserved. Okay, so take a pinch of iron filling and a pinch of sulfur powder in a hard glass test tube. Hold it with test tube holder. Heat in burner. When it melts, take away from burner and keep it reserved. Okay, now I am just telling the title again: preparation of a mixture and a compound. Now when in the previous case, when we have mixed just the iron filling and sulfur powder, then and mixed it thoroughly, then it produces the mixture. But when heat energy is applied, then it produces, it first of all it melts and produces a black mass where the individual identity is lost. So this is formation of the compound, and for this reason preparation of compound containing iron and sulfur is the title. Okay. Now next part is that experiment part. Okay, this part is over. Now the experiment or observation part. Now if you go through the title, then just we have to think about the appearance of the mixture and appearance of the compound also. Next one, behavior towards magnet, that is when it is a mixture, then magnet should be touched with the mixture, and we have to see we have to show the observation. Next is that behavior towards carbon disulfide as solvent and effect to heat. Okay, now coming to the observation section. Now make a table, observation. Now observation, that is experiment, observation, inference. Experiment, observation, inference or conclusion. Make this column. Experiment, observation, conclusion. So this is under the main point 4. First of theory or aim, then materials required, then procedure, and after that 4 observation. In experiment column, you will write first is the observe appearance. Appearance. Now appearance of the mixture. Now in the observation column, for mixture, it looks heterogeneous. It looks heterogeneous. Full stop. Next one, for compound. For compound, it is a homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture of black or brown color, deep brown color, of deep brown color. Okay, now conclusion part. So in conclusion part, number 1, mixture is homogeneous, is heterogeneous, but compound is homogeneous. Okay, so this is the appearance. Okay, complete it. I am again repeating, this is the observation part. In observation part, the experiment, now appearance, the physical appearance of the mixture and the compound. Appearance for the mixture, it looks heterogeneous. For compound, it is a homogeneous mixture of deep brown color. Next one, conclusion, mixture is heterogeneous but compound is homogeneous. Delete the number 1. Complete it. Completed. Respond quickly. Respond quickly. Project. Project, that means it is the practical. No project is given for class 9 as they are having practical. You have to submit it in the lab copy. Okay. Next part is that action with magnet. No last date. Do you want to know the last date of submission of the project? Till now no last date is decided. When it will be decided, it will be known to you through Skype, or we also tell you about the submission date and submission pattern also. There is no project work, you have to submit it, that is you have to submit in the lab copy, okay, because for class 9 it is no project work. Up to class 8 there is the project, from class 9 you having practical, okay, so you have to give only the practical. Okay, now move to the next point, that is action with magnet. Action with magnet. Now what we have to take, first of all, in the mixture, where it is kept reserved, we have to test it with a magnet, the bar magnet, that we have to hold the magnet near to the mixture. Then if anyone, that is any magnetic substance is there, it is till now known to us, okay, when the finally exam will occur, okay, because the class 10-12 board exam is still not decided, okay, but the final exam might be with offline method, okay, offline, it is not will be an online. PT2 may be online, but the term 2 I hope it is and the institution also wants to take the offline test for the final exam, okay. What you have to do, you have to collect one copy from the school, some of you already collected, those who collected, they continue the the writing as we are instructed, and those who have not collected from school, okay, the practical copy. Now if it is from 4th May, then if it is, then it will be further decided. Now complete it, okay, Arpit, okay, then you have to write the practical in your copy, giving the title, etc. Action with magnet. A bar magnet for mixture, again the same title, for mixture, when a bar magnet, the bar magnet is looking like that. This is a bar magnet, it's having N S pole. When a bar magnet rolled over the mixture, the iron filling will be attracted to magnet. You have to collect one copy from school and you have to write the practicals and then you have to submit it. But the submission pattern is till now not decided. Okay, it might be obviously it is offline, as we are written the offline portion. Okay, now coming to the experiment part. For mixture, when a bar magnet rolled over the mixture, the iron filling will be attracted to the magnet, full stop. But for compound, no such observation seen. No such observation seen. And in inference column, you will write constituents or components of mixture can be separated. Components of the mixture can be separated physically, but not of the compound. Observation. Okay, so I am repeating from the first, that is action with magnet. Now, suppose this is a watch glass. Now there is the mixture is kept. Now when the magnet hold over the mixture, then what happens? In case of the mixture, the iron filling will be attracted towards. Okay, but no such observation will be seen in case of compound, because there is a compound, that is a chemical bonding is there. In conclusion, components of the mixture can be separated physically, but not of the compound. Okay, so this is the conclusions done after the test with magnet. Two more points are there: behavior towards carbon disulfide and effect of heat. These 2 points will be discussed on the next class. Okay, any question from your side?